Oh shit.
The year is 2004 or 3.
Fate up against your will through the thick and thin.
Damn.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, high key good shit with the silver.
Yeah, that's a good choice, dude.
Fuck, this shit feels premium. Feels nice. Feels like a tool. I'm fucking stupid, bro. I can't believe I just did that. Look at the little menu.
Oh shit.
That's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Okay, I guess. Set. What's today? I have no clue what I'm fucking doing. I feel like such a fucking, like a child, bro. I feel like a little kid. Oh, fuck. Chill. Wait, what?
What's it doing?
It's the steps. It's in increments.
Oh, okay. So you can zoom in and fine tune your focus.
But it's incremental, huh? Why is it not? This is just regular shit. Instax printer connection setting.
Sick ass. That's cool.
It's like all Fujifilm.
Oh, that's why. Cause yeah, Fuji. That's,
Yeah.
that's fucking okay.
That's
All right, you guys are kind of cool, I guess.
It's cute. It's all adorable and shit.
Fuckers.
I mean, how'd I put it in stupid mode? Just straight auto.
That alone is like a purchasing reason for me. Just fucking connect to Instax.
Should be A, or I'm fucking
For automatic?
gassing. So this type of photo of you. You're the first test subject. Sure.
Huh. Interesting.
Why are you guys filming the police station?
Right. Don't worry.
Straight up.
We know about your fucked up audit. Huh. This is cool. This is cool. Yeah, this is
Just for photos, I'm pretty much gonna use it.
Fujinon lens system. I like. Oh my god, dude! You're making me fall in love with these assholes.
These assholes. It's like your enemy.
Right? I don't even know why I'm beefing with them. Wow.
For real, I don't even try.
Drive delete, fucking straight up button right there.
No way.
Yeah, did you
Oh,
see that shit?
shit?
It says delete drive.
Isn't that scary though? Like, oh fuck. Well, that's just kind of cute. Not gonna lie. And the screen turns on by itself. Oh, it turns off by itself when you
That's
get
cool.
there.
Oh, it's got some decent sensitivity to it.
That's pretty
Nice.
cool.